Begin in Dandasana staff pose with your quadriceps and kneecaps facing the ceiling. Sit directly on top of your sitting bones by gently moving any of your fleshy bum cheeks aside. Draw your right heel back close to your right sitting bone so your knee is bent. Imagine a central axis running through your torso from your pelvic floor to the crown of your head, keeping the left leg active. By flexing the left foot and draw the muscles to the bones. Inhale and raise your left arm up to the ceiling and take your right hand to the floor behind your right hip. As you exhale and twist to the right, hooking your left elbow to the outside of your right knee, keep your arm bent and the fingers splayed out pointing to the ceiling. Make sure your extended leg doesn't lose its vigor. Take a few breaths. To exit the pose, release back to staff